Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to Reasoning Mega Class and Ranking and Order part number 3. So in part up to part 2 we have learned 5 models. So from part 3 we are going to learn from model number 6. So let's go into the class now. Yeah, model number 6. The first question see, sorry. The first question in a class exam, uh, rank of Rohit is 37 from first and 64 from last. In the same class, another student, Rakesh, rank is 24 from the first. Then what would be his rank from the last? One more time, I read, my dear friends. In a class exam, rank of Rohit is 37 from the first and 64 from last. In the same class, another student, Rakesh, rank is 24 from first. Then what would be his rank from the last? Very simple, my dear friends. Here from the last, let us see. We need to find the rank of Rakesh from the last. Rakesh from the last means already we have the Rakesh rank from the first, so we need to find the Rakesh from the last. As we know that, a very simple logic it is here. See, already we have learned the formula T is equal to L plus R minus 1. So whenever we can find the total number of students, whenever we have rank from the last and rank from the right or first. So whenever we have two ranks, we can find the total number of the students, or else we can find any rank from any side if you know the total and other side of this. So here also, if you come to the Rakesh here, a Rakesh ranks we know from the first, we should know from the last. Means, so we know L value, we know we need to find the R value, but we should know T value. Without T value, we cannot find Rakesh rank from the last now. So that here, how can we find the total now? We can find the total by using the Rohit ranks. Why? Because we have the Rohit both the ranks, rank from the first and rank from the last we have. From this we can find the total. As the Rakesh is also the same, the student of the same class, so the total will be the same. So the total and Rakesh ranks from the first, by using this both, we can find the Rakesh ranks from the last now. Very simple. The first step we need to find the total from by using the Rohit's ranks, and then after the total and the 24, by using this total and 24, we can find the Rakesh rank from the last. Very simple. Now let's find it now. See, now the total is equal to, let's add these two. Now 37 plus 64 is nothing but the 11 and 101 minus 1 is equal to 100. 100 is the total number of the students. Then by using the total and Rakesh first rank for the first, by using this we can find the Rakesh rank from the last now. Very simple, my dear students. As you know that the T is equal to L plus R minus 1. L plus R minus 1. Then what do you get here? L plus R minus 1 is nothing but from the 100, just subtract this 24 now. Means from the total, we need to subtract rank from left and minus 1. By minus 1, by sending this side, we get here plus 1. That is equal to rank from the last now. So therefore, we can find it now. 100 minus 24 is nothing but, what do you get, my dear students? 76, and the plus 1 is equal to 77 is the Rakesh rank from last. Very simple. Okay, so this is the most important model, my dear friends. Most important model. That's why please don't miss here. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me doubt through the WhatsApp. 7989804600 is my number. It's my personal number. You can go through with WhatsApp now. Now thank you. Now let's go to the next model. Same problem, same model. Let's see one more problem. See, in a row, the position of Sharma is 24 from left and 37 from right. In the same row, another person, Ahmed's position is 16 and from left, then what would be the how much position from the right? The same, we need to get the total from Sharma, and by using this total and by using this rank, we can find the rank of the Ahmads from the right now. Very simple. Let's find the total by using the how much rank. Let's add both the ranks of Sharma. Now 24 and 37. By adding this, we get 61. Now from the 61 by subtracting 1, then we get 60. The 60 is the total. From the total, to get the rank of how much rank from right is equal to just 16 subtract from 60, then we get here, what do you get, my dear friends? Uh, 16. From 60 by subtract, we get here 44. Then plus 1 is equal to 45. So the 45 is the rank of how much from right now. Very simple answer. Okay. So the next one, let's go to the next problem. Model number 7C. Let us read the question now. Chaitra's rank is from 18 from first and Netra's is 25 from last. Find the total number of the students in that class. Very simple, my dear friends. See, whenever the ranks of from the first rank and last rank as given, but the thing is, see, the both ranks are of different persons. Whenever the ranks or rank of the different persons are given, then we cannot find the solution. What it may be, we cannot find the solution. Okay, so compulsory we need the ranks, the both sides rank of the same person, but both sides rank of the different persons may not be helps to find further now, so that the answer is the can't be determined now. Okay, so you can understand easily. Here I'm displaying, see, the position of different objects or persons are given, then it is impossible to find the total number of objects or people in a group or class now. Got the point? So please keep in your mind here. Right. Let's go to the next. Right. Next, model number 8. In a row, the position of Ravi is 13 from left and Sunil from right is 24, but the position of Ravi changed to 22 from left after interchanging their positions. Find the number of persons in that row. Very simple. So let's try the first Ravi's position, Ravi position, Sunil position. Ravi position from the left is 13. This is Ravi's position. Now Sunil position from the right is 25. This is Sunil position. 24, sorry. 24. Now, but the position of Ravi changed to the 22 from the left after interchanging their position. Whenever Ravi goes to the Sunil place, Sunil goes to the Ravi place. Okay, by interchanging their positions, then Ravi's position from the left. Please, your directions are the most important here. From the left is 22. Ravi's position, not from the right. Okay, from the right. So find the number of persons in the total number of the persons. Whenever see, we know that the Ravi's position from the left is 13 first, and Sunil position is from the right is 24. Whenever they interchange their places, then Ravi's position from the left is 22. Means you just understand, just imagine that what would be the Ravi's position from the right? Means as it is occupying the Sunil's place, as the Sunil's place from the right is 24, then Ravi's position from the right is obviously 24. Then here we have got, my dear student, see, we have got the both sides rank of the same student. Very simple. Then whenever we have the both sides the rank of same student, we can find the total number of the persons. Very simple. Then T is equal to L plus R minus 1. Very simple. Very simple. The 22 plus 24 is equal to 46. Now 46 minus 1 is equal to 45. Those the second one is answer. In simple way, we can answer this question. Was the point? Now let's see another problem. Yeah, model number 9. In a row, the position of Anil is 16 from left and Monal from right is 626. But the position of Anil changed to 25 from left after interchanging their position. Find the number of position of Monal from right in that row. Yeah, see, my dear students, see, very simple question it is. In the previous model, we have found the total number of students in the same case of problem, same model of the problem. So here we need to find the position of model from the right. Now let's write what is given now. The position of Anil from the left is equal to 16. The position of Monal from the right is equal to 26. This is the Monal's position. Now the position of Anil changed to 25 from the left after interchanging their position. Means they interchange the position. By interchanging the position, the Anil position from the left is 25 from the left. Anil position. Here, see, we have to see that what we need to see here. Then, what is the difference of the position of the Anil from the left? We need to check it. Means how many places he moved to, how many places he moved to right. We need to find now. Means just my dear friends, 25 the position after interchanging. Before interchange, the position is 16. Then subtract, what do you get, my dear friends? 9. Means he moved 9 places forward towards right. Then see the 9 places. Means after the Anil, here the ninth place is nothing but the Mona. So that then we need to find the Monal's position from the right. From the right means just this 9 should be added to the 26. Then after interchanging, then what do you get, my dear students? Then the monal position from the left is 26. Now the plus 9 is equal to, the answer will be 35. Very simple. The point. However, here Hanil has moved towards 9 places right. Then the same mole also must be moved towards 9 places to the left. So that's why 26 plus 9 is equal to 35 is the answer. Now let's go to the next answer. Next problem. The model number 10. In a row, the position of A is 9 from left and the position of B is from right is 19. But the position of A changed to 15 from left after interchanging their position. Then find the number of persons, sorry, a number of persons between them. Number of persons between them. And very simple to find it here. Very simple to find. Same, however, we have done the previous model, same thing we need to do that. Okay, we need to find the first of all how many persons are there between these numbers. See, like look at the board here now. The position of A from the left is 9. The position of the B from the right is 19. So this is the left position, this is the right position, right from the right position. Now the position of A changed to 15 from the left after changing, after interchanging their position now. So 15 is come. So we need to find the number of persons between them, means how many are there, how many are there between these two. We need to find it. To find the number of persons, see, the only simple thing we need to find the displacement of this A's position need to find here. The displacement is nothing but just to subtract them. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Got the point? So as we found the difference of this 15, but here A is calculated as 2 times, then we need to subtract one more thing, then the answer would be the 5. Why? Because as A is calculated twice here, then 6 minus y is 1 is equal to 5. In a row, the position of A is 9 from the left and position of B is from right is 19, but the position of A is changed to 15 from the left. After interchanging their position, find the number of persons between them. Very simple, my dear friends. See, let's write the position of A from the left is 9 and the position of B from the right is 19. Now, after interchanging the position of A from the left is 15. Position of A. Interchange their position. Then find the number of persons between. Find the number of persons between them. So we need to find the number of persons between A and B. Like this. So how many persons are in the same row between A and B? We need to find now. To find this, just subtract the position of A for two cases. Then what do you get, my distance? 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. But we have calculated include A twice here. A twice. So that then A 1A should be subtracted from the difference. Then by minus 1 we get here the 5 would be the answer. So the answer would be 3. So this is the part 3, my dear students here. And please for further models, there are 5 more models in this ranking. To learn the 5 more models, don't miss the part 4. As soon as possible I will upload it here. And thank you very much for watching this channel. If you are watching and if you're watching it first time this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please like it and comment it. Please share it to your friends. And thank you very much. Your Mohammed Nari study from Brain Booster Institute.